We over here at the Grand Canyon. All the tourists. Uncle Kiola over there. Scared to come to the edge. This is the Great Grand Canyon. We're right over the edge. It's the skywalk over there. Eagle Point. See the eagle in the cliff? I guess that's why they call them Eagle Point. Look more like on Falcon. Come all the tourists smart, they wearing shoes. Except for Hawaiian over here wearing sandals. And going right over the cliff. Oh, brother. Somebody dare me $1,000 for jump.
So that's the eagle right there.
And this Hawaiian over here wearing sandals. Only 2 Hawaiians wearing sandals.